The waist is one of the most important parts of the human body. It bears most of the body's weight and plays a key role in supporting and moving in daily activity. However, improper posture often brings the risk of injury to the waist, causing pain and discomfort, and even affecting daily life and work. Our work will explore in depth which waist postures are prone to injury, so as to draw people's attention to waist health. In daily life, we often use various postures, but some postures may cause damage to the waist without knowing it. Understanding these postures and their potential harm is critical to preventing waist injuries.
For assembly line workers, long hours of sitting and operating machines can lead to lumbar muscle strain, which can cause lower back pain and swelling. To prevent this, workers should maintain a neutral posture and keep their body balanced to minimize stress on muscles and joints. Regular exercise and stretching are essential.
Secondly, bending over to carry heavy objects is also a very risky posture. When you bend down to lift heavy loads, the force on your waist increases instantaneously, far exceeding the normal load. If you use improper force at this time, it's easy to strain the lumbar muscles and even cause lumbar discomfort. The correct posture for lifting heavy objects should be to squat down first, bring your body closer to the weight, and use the strength of your legs to lift it, rather than relying only on the strength of your waist.
Thirdly, long-term bending overwork can also cause damage to the waist. For example, some workers who are engaged in bending overwork, such as cleaners and decorators, are in a bending over state for a long time, and the waist muscles and ligaments are constantly stretched, which will cause waist injuries over time.
In conclusion, prolonged sitting, lifting heavy objects with a bent waist, and long-term bending work can all easily cause lower back injuries. To protect lower back health, we should develop good living and working habits. At work, it's important to stand up and move around regularly, avoiding prolonged periods in the same position. Use correct methods when lifting heavy objects, and for those who need to bend for extended periods, take appropriate breaks and adjust the posture.